a Jesse in his natural habitat.
What is going on, you Brapaholics? I hope you're having a great day. We are back working on the Trail Boss, so I'm going to do a couple things here before I kind of get too involved with it. I did buy a new spark plug for it because I think it's got the original spark plug in it. I don't know if it's that good or not, but it's time to just replace it. We'll start off with a clean slate. I'm replacing everything else on it. Let's put a new spark plug in it and see how it goes. But I put the new carburetor in it. I'm still having it idles fine, so the new carburetor fixed the starting issue. But my problem is now is that it does not want to go past an idle. We're gonna start with the spark plug and see what that does. If that helps, maybe the spark is just not that good anymore. So we'll see if the new spark plug helps that. My guess is probably not gonna make much of a difference. And two, if that don't work, we are going to dig into the valves on this thing. I've read some forums and some people are saying that the intakes can sometimes lead to the machine just not running like it should, which I do valves all the time, so I guess we'll get into that and see where we're at. It's about time you come up to work.
Got my work boots on.
Ooh, gotta break them in now, huh?
That's what I'm doing.
Ooh.
Got my coffee and my phone. I'm ready.
Ready to be camera lady?
Yep.
Ooh. Those are pretty snazzy. Oh yeah. Now we're talking.
Good thing I shaved my legs.
This thing is awesome. Well, there's everything.
Ooh. So what is that?
Something stinks in this though.
Sorry.
That's the cam.
The cam?
This is the cam.
What's that? I'm just kidding. Oh. Dropping it like a top.
These are the rockers.
Aww.
Well, I guess we'll see if this works or not, but I don't think the valves was the issue, but if it was, yay. If anything, it's gonna run better, but we'll wait and see. Alright, now let's try. Ready?
Ready.
Something just sounds like it's leaking out here. Come on, lighting. Alright guys, so this is going to be a little bit kind of a time jump on this. I was waiting on parts for this Trail Boss for a while now. I finally got everything that I ordered. So with the help of my friend, he actually did locate a new radiator. Well, he located a good radiator. It's used, but they called junkyard and they found one. So we're gonna put that in and get that going finally, so I don't have to worry about the radiator anymore. The JB weld did not hold. Actually, the JB weld held, but another crack formed on the other side of the radiator. I didn't record it. So that's what happened with that. The radiator is just absolutely junk. As you can see, it's still laying here. But a new crack formed over here, and this is where I JB welded it. This is the new seat cover finally. That took about 3 weeks to get here, but this is the ignition coil, and this is the new air boot for the carburetor. The other one was dry rotted really bad. So I got a new one. It was probably okay for a while, but it was gonna dry rot here in a year or so, and I didn't want to give Eugene that trouble. Once I get everything in, then we'll try to get it started again. If it's still not running right, then we got another issue, and I don't know what it is. Well, what do we have here?
Cleaning my car.
It's about time. Geez, this thing is grubby.
I know, there's really nothing to do. I don't have anything to clean. It's too clean.
Jeez.
Gilbert.
Hey, he's gonna get in your car.
Oh.
He loves getting in cars.
That's fine. He's not really dirty. You wanna come in?
Okay, so here we got the new oil lines. Really nice shiny ones, aftermarket ones. They look like they'll hold up a little better. The only thing different about these is this angle, but I don't think it's gonna matter any. Guess I'll put this on the tripod or let my camera lady take over and we'll get back to it. So this weekend, me and Brianna will be camping with the family up at St. Helens, and we'll be hitting the trails up there for 4 days or so. So it should be a good time, and we'll get some nice shots of that. I haven't been up there in about 5 years. I'm hoping that the weather won't be as hot and dry like it is right now. But we'll see. Either way, we're going to be going riding. My grandpa's got that new Kawasaki T-Rex, so that'd be really fun. Trying to get more shots of that. Got the hot tamale here. I got the Razor. I'll have my dirt bike, and we'll have other people side by sides going. So it'll just be some simple trail riding and some camping fun activities. So should be a good time. We'll get some nice shots of that, and we'll make a video for that. So I got the radiator in, it's all hooked up. I'm gonna start it up and let it idle and make sure that nothing's leaking. Supposedly this radiator's fine, so fingers crossed, a new hose and supposedly a good radiator. I guess let's see what happens. I forgot to tighten up 2 lines. So far so good on no leaks. Like I said, this does idle as of right now. Don't see anything leaking out of the radiator. So I think we're in a clear on the radiator finally. And that's what it does when you give it gas. So now that's the next step. Okay. Last second we decided to go on a little riding trip here. So it's just gonna be a small family trip going. So we're all getting around right now. I'm gonna get the cameras mounted on the helmets here, get some fuel in the machines, and then check the oils, and then we're gonna head out and meet our grandparents and our family friends, and we're just going on a state land. So it'll be a couple hour trip. Just a little simple joyride, so it should be a really fun time. We might be turning around. I have no idea. I think we've been down this before. Got a dent in there a bit. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Still working on the quad. Can't figure out what the running problem is. I don't know what the problem is or why it's not running. I'll just say that. So I gotta do some research on that. I didn't show it, but the ignition coil that the guy sent me is wrong. I don't know, it's for a different style of spark plug. It's not correct. So I contacted him trying to see what to do on that. But I do have it touching the spark plug, so it still does run, but it's obviously not gonna work. Just another bump in the road, I guess. We'll try to get all that figured out, and please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Please follow me on Instagram and join the Discord server, and I'll see you in the next video.